Yes, today we are going to start with economics chapter number first. What is the name of the chapter? Development. What is development? Can anyone tell? Anyone? What do you understand by development?
Aspirations or desires
Okay.
of what we will like to do
What we will
to
like
live.
to do? Okay, to live a better life.
Changes
What changes?
means quality changes, any
Yes,
new creation.
the changes we want in our life, the living standard, in the quality of life. That we can say. Okay. Another. Anyone else?
Improvement
Improvement in.
in society or
Okay, in society or living standard. Okay, so development, we can say growth. Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone have the same developmental goal? Everyone?
No.
No.
We
Why?
have different.
We have different. For example, your developmental goal may be that you can achieve more than 90% marks in your board exam, but same development goal for me, it could be same. Yes or no?
No.
No, because I have already cleared
No.
10th class.
It will be differ.
It will be differ. So we are starting with that. Introduction is given in that. Development means well-being of quality of life for a community by creating new opportunities in the society. How can we create new opportunities? Like day before yesterday, we have seen Narendra Modi's speech that what he had said, to become self-dependent India. Yes or no?
Yes.
Can anyone explain further explain on that? What he has said? We have to look for the opportunities in this pandemic. Yes,
We have to develop more. We
we
to
have.
reduce poverty
Okay. He
and
had,
he has also said that every Indian can contribute in this fight against coronavirus.
yes, fight against coronavirus, and we have to look this pandemic as an opportunity. Yes, that can be a developmental goal for India. So, development can be different for different categories of people. Like examples are given: a landless labor in village areas. What is developmental goal? More days of work and better wages. He doesn't own any land. He doesn't have land. He works on the others person's land or others farm. So what will be his development? Okay, he get work more days in the field and little bit higher wages than regular wages. That may be his. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो ऐसे बोलेगा सीधा सा, उसका डेवलपमेंटल गोल ये हो जाएगा कि मेरे को 200 रुपए दिन के मिल रहे हैं, मेरे को 10,000 रुपए दिन के मिल जाए. ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल तो नहीं कर सकता ना वो. 200 के बदले 220 या
Hmm.
240 ऐसा मिल सके उसको, तो वो उसके वेजेस होंगे. ऐसा नहीं है मैं एक गरीब खेती में वो कर रहा हूँ, मजदूर हूँ, अब मैं सोचूंगा मैं कलेक्टर बन जाऊं. दैट शुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. तो वो डेवलपमेंटल गोल जो काम कर रहा है वो उसी के हिसाब से देखेगा कि मेरा डेवलपमेंटल गोल क्या है. आई एम अ टीचर, तो अभी मैं टीजीटी पे हूँ, तो मे बी नेक्स्ट आने वाले समय में आई गेट प्रमोटेड टू पीजीटी और नेक्स्ट फिर वाइस प्रिंसिपल, प्रिंसिपल. दिस इज माय डेवलपमेंटल गोल. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं टीचिंग लाइन को छोड़ के आई विल गो बिकम आईएएस ऑफिसर और आईपीएस ऑफिसर और ये ऐसा बन जाऊंगा. दैट इज नॉट माय डेवलपमेंटल गोल. ये आप बच्चे सोच सकते हैं, आज शाम को सोए, शाम को ये सोचा मैं आईएएस बन जाऊंगा, कल सोचा नहीं मैं डॉक्टर बन जाता हूँ, नहीं परसों इंजीनियर बन जाते हैं. ऐसा जब हम वेज कमाने लग जाते हैं या स्टार्ट वर्किंग, देन द थिंकिंग डिफर्स. डिफरेंट development goals are there for everyone. Example, more days of work and better wages. Local school in a particular area is able to provide good quality of education to their children. So एक लोकल स्कूल का एम क्या होगा कि उसके स्कूल में जो बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं उनको अच्छी से एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड की जा सके, अच्छे टीचर्स मिले, अच्छे रिसोर्सेस उनको मिले. दैट इज द डेवलपमेंटल गोल ऑफ द लोकल स्कूल. नेक्स्ट, another example is there is no social discrimination and they can become leaders in the village. This can be happen. No social discrimination. It is possible in our society.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Explain, please. How?
Sir, if all the people remove the narrow-mindedness in their mind and they, if they can consider all the people as equal,
Equal. Okay.
so
It can
social
be removed.
discrimination can be removed.
But education will play an important role in that. Without education, it is not possible. Still, it is very hard to remove social discrimination from the society because everyone's mind, what the person is thinking, that cannot be decided. So social discriminator can be removed. That is a situation, and they too can become leaders in the village. Everyone want to become a leader. That I want to become a leader. That is my developmental goal. But it is possible, maybe or may not be, that I have to convert that in. Next, an urban rich boy. Example, another example is there. A rich boy living in city. What is developmental goal? To earn more, ज्यादा कमा सके, expand business और production. वो अपने बिजनेस को और ज्यादा एक्सपेंड कर सके, या अपना जो उसकी कंपनी है उसमें जो प्रोडक्शन हो रहा है उस प्रोडक्शन को इंक्रीज कर सके. दैट विल बी डेवलपमेंटल गोल. बी पॉपुलर etc. are the developmental goals of a rich boy in a urban area. An Adivasi, who will read this? Adivasi. Apart from this, you can also give example. What will be the developmental goal for Adivasi? A people who is living in forest area. Yes. Continue.
To a village area or urban area.
Huh? Repeat, please.
No interference of government and any other communities.
Yes, we can see that. Yes, Naxalwadis, we say in our country, Naxalwadis are there. They are mostly found in which areas? Forest areas. Tribal peoples are there. Naxals जिसे हम कहते हैं, Naxalites. वो कोई आतंकवादी नहीं है. मैंने एक बार 9th में भी ये डिस्कस किया था. We have discussed that they are the Adivasis who क्या करते हैं? They love nature. They do not want any kind of development in their area. They do not want the government to enter in the forest area. They don't want any kind of development. वो जैसे हैं वो प्रकृति के साथ रहना पसंद करते हैं. So protected area, that is the example. Protected area, they need protected area means जंगल है, उनके उस जंगल में कोई भी enter ना हो, वो protected रहे, कोई भी उसे काटे नहीं. Second, non interference by the government to find resource for daily life. Third is the example, उनको जंगल में उनको जो daily life में जो needs को पूरा करने के लिए जो resource चाहिए, they can easily get that resources from the forest. This is the developmental goal of an Adivasi. Now, a girl in a rich urban family, without seeing that, can any girl, what is your developmental goal for future? Apart from this example, your girls, your goals may be different, your developmental goals may be different. So you can share. your goals? Equality in the society. Oh, one, I'm saying. Apart from that, you can say. There, bolo. Akansa, tell.
Sir, same opportunities for both the genders.
Same opportunity for both genders. Okay. Apart from that, what do you want? What do you want? What are your goal for development? Malika,
Studying at abroad.
studying at abroad. You get that opportunity to study abroad. Okay. Ikra,
Freedom.
freedom. Okay. Freedom of what? Late night work or which type of freedom?
No, freedom for taking my own decisions.
Okay, freedom of taking your own decisions. Like a boy can take their own decision. You want? Okay. Chetna,
Sir, same freedom.
same freedom.
Yes.
A little bit different.
Mm,
Anju, yes, yes, yes. Continue, continue, Chetna. Okay, Anju, what is your developmental goal? Bansri, what is your developmental goal?
sir, same freedom.
Kajal, what is your developmental goal?
Sir, my goal is to uh, build a school where the poor girls who are allowed to study, I can provide
Okay,
them the education.
to build a school and where poor girls do not get education, you want to provide education to the girls. Okay, Kriti.
Sir,
Hmm? Yes, yes. Okay, a girl from a rich urban family. She gets as much freedom as her brother and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. Same as everybody wants this type of freedom कि घर पे उनके भाई को जितनी बातें सुनी जाती है उतनी ही उनकी भी मानी जाए और उनको भी अपनी लाइफ के बारे में डिसीजन लेने का अधिकार मिल सके कोई भी इंटरफेयर ना करे उनको कोई रोके नहीं that is the developmental goal for them. She is able to pursue her studies abroad. जैसे भाई को भेजा गया अब्रोड वहां पे विदेश में पढ़ने के लिए गर्ल को नहीं भेजे तो उसका भी ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल हो सकता है कि मेरे को भी वो चांसेस मिले कि मैं भी विदेश में जाकर पढ़ सकूं. दैट मे बी द डेवलपमेंटल गोल ऑफ अ गर्ल फ्रॉम अ रिच और पुअर विलेज बोथ दोनों का ये हो सकता है. शादी करने के बाद में other different goals we don't want to discuss on that. Many development different types of development goals are there. Next we are going to discuss about the destructive or conflicting goals. What is conflicting?
that are
Harmful.
conflict. They can create conflict,
Yes, they can create conflict. दो लोगों के बीच में वो confusion या problem create कर सकते
misunderstanding.
misunderstanding. So can anyone give the example apart from this? First example I have given, a girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother. एक लड़की की क्या उम्मीद होती है कि उसके भाई को जितनी फ्रीडम मिली है उतनी ही उसको फ्रीडम मिले, एंड दैट ही ऑल्सो शेयर्स इन द हाउस होल्ड वर्क, और वो ये चाहती है कि उसका भाई जितना घर का काम वो कर रही है उसका भाई भी उतना ही काम घर का वो करे, यानी उसकी मदद करे. सो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकता है इसमें, यस और नो? उसका भाई ये चाहेगा कि
हो सकता है.
हो सकता है, क्योंकि भाई ये क्या बोलेगा, मेरे को घर का काम नहीं करना. यस.
नहीं
So
करना.
her brother may not like this. So this is the conflicting goal for between boy and a girl. Next, to get more electricity, industrialists may want more dams. ज्यादा, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्रीज को ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत होती है, तो अब हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या उनको पानी की भी जरूरत हो सकती है, तो दे वांट टू बिल्ड मोर डैम्स, और दे वांट दैट गवर्नमेंट क्रिएट्स मोर डैम. अब ये उनका गवर्नमेंट डेवलपमेंटल गोल है कि उनको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, उनको पानी चाहिए, तो डैम्स बनाने जरूर है, मल्टीपर्पज प्रोजेक्ट बने. बट दूसरों के लिए ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल हो सकता है. जो जहां पर डैम क्रिएट किया जाएगा वहां पे रहने वाले लोगों के लिए वो डेवलपमेंटल गोल नहीं होगा. बट दिस में सबमर्ज द लैंड एंड डिस्टर्ब द लाइव्स ऑफ पीपल हु वर डिस्प्लेस्ड. तो जहां पर वो डैम बन रहा है वहां से उन लोगों को हटाया जाएगा, उनका घर तोड़ के उनको दूसरी जगह शिफ्ट होने के लिए कहेंगे, तो उनकी लाइफ को हम डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. सच एज अनदर एग्जांपल, ट्राइबल रिजर्वेशन लाइक SC ST एंड OBC रिजर्वेशन जो है, हम कई बार ऐसे दिमाग में आता है हमारे कि यार SC ST OBC इनको इतनी जल्दी, इनको कम एजुकेशन पे भी या कम मार्क्स होते हैं, इनको इतनी सारी सुविधाएं दे रहे हैं, हमें भी ऐसी सुविधाएं मिलती तो. सो दैट मे बी डिफरेंट डेवलपमेंटल गोल्स फॉर every person. Reservation for some in colleges or jobs can be beneficial for them, but others may not support it. Like general category people, they will not support the reservation system. Third, next, different persons can have different developmental goals. What may be the development for one may not be the development of the other. It may be destructive for others. Can any example, any other example? It is a development for you, but it is a destructive for the other person. It is a very important question. ये आता है एक 3 से 5 marks में आता है.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, city builders planning to develop the building in slum area.
Yes. Okay. So they are planning to
And they
build.
will thrown away from.
Yes, the poor peoples in the slum area peoples were thrown out of that area. That डेवलपमेंटल गोल क्या है? एक बिल्डर का डेवलपमेंटल गोल क्या है कि मेरे को ये एरिया खाली करवा कर यहाँ पे मैं अपनी अच्छी खासी बिल्डिंग्स बनाऊं और उस जमीन के अच्छे खासे भाव लूं. बट जहाँ पे वो स्लम एरिया है, स्लम एरिया मीन्स दैट इज नॉट रजिस्टर्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट, इलीगल होता है, दबाया हुआ होता है, लोग वहाँ पे सेटल्ड है, कई सालों से सेटल्ड है, उन सबको अगर जबरदस्ती हटा दे तो उनकी लाइफ डिस्टर्ब होती है. That may be destructive for the other people. Any other example? Yes,
Sir, now only recently 35A article was removed from our constitution. That was a developmental goal for other people of the country, but for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, it was not. So there was also protest and all.
Okay. It can be said that is the developmental goal for the other peoples, because other peoples can purchase the property in Jammu and Kashmir and full Jammu and Kashmir, but वहाँ के लोगों के लिए वो डेवलपमेंटल गोल नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अभी तक पूरी प्रॉपर्टी वही लोग एक्वायर कर सकते थे. अब दूसरे पार्ट्स ऑफ द फ्रॉम द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री दे कैन आल्सो परचेज द प्रॉपर्टी देयर. अब दूसरा क्या होगा, अब पहले सिर्फ वहाँ के लोग ले सकते थे प्रॉपर्टी, तो वहां की जमीन के रेट क्या होते थे, लैंड रेट्स दे वर लेस. नाउ अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द पीपल आल्सो कैन परचेज द प्लेसेस, तो land rates will increase. So developmental goals यहाँ पे differ हो रहा है. Any other example? Yes, Bansri.
Sir, also that
Sir.
CAA Act.
Yes.
Sir, CAA Act was
Mhm.
also there,
हाँ, CA Act.
which
Okay.
was developmental for someone and was destructive for others.
That CA Act, I don't think any other destruction was there for any person. NRC we can say that is the destruction for the peoples, but CAA
But
Act
sir,
is,
there protest.
there was a protest because the people were misguided that CAA and NRC are included. That was the very complicated issue. They were उनको झूठ बोलकर बहकाया गया था कि NRC भी उसमें include किया गया. CAA का कोई मतलब नहीं था उसमें. And the people got that. Any other example?
Sir,
Yes, Asank.
sir, government want to build a cement road for people welfare, but the tribes which are living in the forest, they not want.
Okay, we can say that uh, government wants to build up roads in the forest area for the forest area, and the other tribal peoples who are living in that area doesn't want that kind of development, so it can be there. Okay, next one.
Sir, another.
Yes.
Sir, one more.
Uh-huh,
Sir,
tell
when
me.
British were sir,
Yes,
when
yes,
British
yes.
conquered India, they wanted that the European civilization should flourish in India. So that was a destruction for Indian people, but
yes.
it was a proud for British.
Yes,
Britishers.
it was the proud for Britishers. Again, we other example of the Britishers, we can say they came here to for the trading.
Yes, and
They-
then they
They
conquered.
they
whole-
conquered. Okay, that was the developmental goal for the Britishers. They start trading here, and uh, they purchase raw materials at a very cheaper rate. Again, they manufacture it and they sell the finished products at the higher rates. That was the business strategy of the Britishers. That was the developmental goal of them. Now a small video is there on this. Just see that.
In this module, we will study about development, different people, different developmental goals, income and other goals, comparing countries on the basis of total income, per capita income, other criteria for comparison, Human Development Index, construction of Human Development Index, HDI data, sustainable development, need for sustainable development, measures for effective management of resources.
Clear? Volume is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
A girl wants to become an
Sir,
astronaut.
बीच में थोड़ा crack हो रहा है.
A farmer wants to be a big farmer. A small shopkeeper wants to buy a bigger shop. The richest man of India wants to be the world's richest man. What is common about these ambitious people? They all want to grow and become more successful in their desired fields. Similarly, every country wants to attain economic growth and development. Let us study about economic growth and development in further detail.
Development. Development refers to sustainable increase in living standards. It comprises better health, better education, more job opportunities, higher per capita income, etc. The three approaches to development are traditional approach, middle approach, and recent approach. Different people have different developmental goals.
Read that. He is first picture. He is a postgraduate and wants a job for growth of his career. Second is a picture of a farmer. He is a poor farmer and he wants good harvest, high price of crops, and better education for children. The both pictures, both peoples are working in a different field. Both have different developmental goals.
People seek things which are most important and can fulfill their aspirations or desires. Accordingly, different people have different developmental goals. Many a time, two persons or group of persons may seek things that are conflicting.
That first picture. This dam will flourish our business and there will be no electricity problem. That is the developmental goal for the industrialist. Second, second picture, this dam can disturb our life and make us homeless. Understood? Development for one, maybe.
Development for one may be destruction for another.
Income and other goals. We learned that different people have different development goals. Everybody wants more income. For example, an unemployed man wants a job to earn money. A farmer wants a good price for his crops. An industrialist desires more production to increase profits.
So income and other goals. Other unemployed person or unemployed man wants a job to earn money. Farmer wants good prices of his crops. Third, industrialist desire more production to increase profit.
Besides income or money, quality of life depends upon non-material things. People seek things like equal treatment.
Can anyone explain equal treatment?
Sir, it is right to equality.
Okay, boys
All
and
people
girls,
want
or
equal.
all people want equal. Here in the picture, it is given that a boy or girl or a man or woman are treated equally in the society. Same way, all the categories of people living in society are treated equal, or the religious or caste, everyone. Second,
Freedom to live.
explain.
Sir, that Article 21 of our Constitution provide freedom to life, that
Okay,
everyone has a right to live.
okay,
Opportunity to learn.
Sir, that education one.
okay.
Every person from 6 to 14 years should get education.
Respect from others. This everyone wants. Yes or no? Abhishek, can you tell
Yes, sir.
why I told you?
Sir,
Hmm. कुछ नहीं मस्ती
मेरा
कर रहा हूँ.
वॉइस सर अभी नहीं आ रहा था क्लियरली.
Okay. Respect
सर
from
रिपीट
others.
करो ना.
Respect from others. Yes or no? आपको
Yes.
yes गायत्री और आपको बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है सबके ऊपर. So you desire respect from others. For that we have to give respect to others to earn respect. दोनों साइड से होता है, एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती. Just an example,
Let
compare.
us compare countries on the basis of total income. Total income is the most important attribute for comparing countries. More income means more things that human beings can buy.
That we can say the developed countries. In developed countries, people have more income. So if they have more income, they can purchase all the more things and they can live a good quality of standard life.
Total income is not an appropriate measure to compare countries. Why?
Yes, why? Current,
Because,
yes.
sir,
Continue.
sir, we cannot tell country, we cannot judge a country by its total income because, sir, they may have developed other countries which are not developed in total income may have been progressing in other fields like education,
Yes.
import, export, etc.
Yes. Current
They
example.
have more population. That's why
Mhm.
that they do not have GDP. That
Yes. We can take the current example of America under COVID-19, America, Italy, and other countries. Uh,
yes.
uh, from India, they are importing medicines. As they are developed, they have a lot of money, but still death rate is much higher than the underdeveloped countries or developing countries. They are purchasing medicines from.
Italy say Sir,
Hmm.
Italy is said to be have second number in medical
Yes,
facilities, but now Italy
they are
is
importing from us.
yes,
Yes,
This is
and sir,
Like
China is taking benefit.
basis of total income
yes.
will not indicate about the distribution of income among people and living standards of per person.
Comparing countries on the basis of total income will not indicate about the distribution of income among people and living standard of persons.
Per capita income is the income obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. It is also called average income.
Already we have discussed in 9th class also, 8th class also, discussion was there on the per capita income. Total national income or total income of the country divided by its population. So India will have absolutely, comparing to America, India will have less per capita income. Comparing to Australia, India will have less per capita income. Yes or no? America total population
Yes,
36 crore. Australia 3 crore. India 136 crore. Here about 100 crore people are more than America. So divided national income divided by population. So per capita income will definitely will be low.
In World Development Report brought out by the World Bank, per capita income is used as criteria for classifying countries. As per the World Development Report, countries are classified into rich, middle, and low-income countries on the basis of the per capita income. India comes in the category of low-middle income countries because its per capita income in 2017 was just $1820 per annum.
We will discuss on that.
sir.
Per
Yes,
capita income
Sir,
one
of
minute.
I have a
every group
question.
fails to
Yes,
show the
1 minute.
distribution of income among its population and its income disparities. Let us understand this with an example.
Yes,
Sir, why only that national income of all the countries is compared in US dollar?
international currency is there, beta, US dollar. It is considered as international currency. एक बार याद है वहाँ पे बाहर मैंने वो नोटिस बोर्ड पे लगाया था why US dollar is considered as international currency. एक चीज क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज जो है जहाँ पे दुनिया में काम कर रही है दे आर फ्रॉम यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स. तो सारा बिजनेस जो चला रहे हैं यानी एक्सट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो पेट्रोलियम से लेके लो, चाहे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्रीज हो या सारी चीजों, मैक्सिमम Americans are there, US countries businessmen are there, they have set up their industries. First reason is that. Okay, I will share that with you why US dollar is an international currency considered. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In
Okay.
world development,
One,
per
see.
capita income of every group fails to show the distribution of income among its population and its income disparities. Let us understand this with an example.
क्या दिखा रहा है इसमें पिक्चर में? What does the picture shows? Income
That the
disparities.
poor are
Yes.
Sir, it is showing that rich people are taking benefits from that poor people. Poor people are serving rich people. So
Okay.
there is much income difference between them both, rich and poor.
Yes,
Quite
and
difference.
wide difference. Simply we can say in industries, एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट ने इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करती है, वहां पे काम करने वाला कौन? मजदूर. और उन मजदूरों को उसकी मेहनत का रुपया कितना देते हैं? दे पे वेरी लेस वेजेस कंपेयर टू देयर वर्क. द एंटरप्रेन्योर हु हैज सेट अप देयर बिजनेस और उसने इंडस्ट्री लगाई है, अब बिना किसी काम किए हुए उसको सिर्फ मैनेज करने के अलावा वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रॉफिट वो रखना चाहता है. मीन्स a poor people is serving to the other peoples or rich class peoples.
This table shows the citizens of two per capita
1 minute.
income of every group fails. This table shows the citizens of two countries having same average income. But in country Y, there is more equal distribution of income as the people are neither very rich nor very poor. However, in country X, most of the citizens are poor and only one citizen is very rich. There is wide inequality of income.
Simply, example is given on the basis of two countries. They have taken the total population as 4. So equal distribution. Why country have equal distribution of income between the people? ज्यादा difference नहीं है वहाँ पे सब लोगों के पास. But country X, first person के पास a very rich person, others are poor. That can be the example of our country, India.
This shows that the per capita income hides the disparities.
Picture clear है आपके सामने? Yes or no? Top 10 richest Indians.
Yes.
आधी से ज्यादा इंडिया के जो जीडीपी है या प्रॉपर्टी है उनके पास है, और बाकी के जितने भी पर्सन है उनके पास उनकी जितनी इनकम भी नहीं है पूरे देश की.
Now it's your turn. Which of the following is shown by per capita income of a country? Your options are A. Distribution of income, B. Income disparities, C. Average income of people, or D. Quality of life. Any guesses?
Answer.
Sir, C, average income of people.
Average income of people. Abhishek?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same, C.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C, average income of peoples, that is per
The
capita
correct
income.
answer is C. Average income of people. There are other equally important criteria for comparison.
Education facilities, health facilities, and public facilities.
Such as the educational facilities, the health facilities, public facilities, etc.
This comparison, development of the country, it is categorized into two parts. One category is World Bank decides the country is developed, developing, or underdeveloped. That is purely on the basis of per capita income. World Bank decides. Second one is Human Development Index. उसमें ये तीनों facilities को लिया जाता है. There is an example in the textbook comparing Punjab and Kerala. So that we will going to discuss tomorrow. Just ये थोड़ा सा देख लो इसको, फिर उसके ऊपर हम further discuss करेंगे कल.
Educational facilities are measured in terms of the literacy rate, the net attendance ratio, and the gross enrollment ratio. Attainment of various skills and knowledge with proper education increases the productive efficiency and leads to an increase in production and national income. This ultimately leads to the growth of a country. Literacy rate. It is defined as the proportion of population above age 7 which can read and write.
Already discussed that.
Net attendance ratio. It is the total number of children of the age group 6 to 10 attending school out of the total number of children in the same age group.
Yes, any doubt in that? 6 to 10 years, children's attending school out of total children's in the country in the same age group. यानी पूरे देश में कितने बच्चे हैं जो 6 से 10 की उम्र में है और उन बच्चों में से कितने बच्चे स्कूल अटेंड कर रहे हैं. That is net attendance ratio. Any doubt in this?
No.
Gross enrollment ratio. It is a statistical measure used in the education sector to determine the number of students enrolled in the primary, secondary, and higher education. Health facilities. Medical facilities are provided to people so that work efficiency of the citizens can be improved. Infant mortality rate. It refers to the number of children dying before the age of 1 year as a proportion of 1,000 live children born in that particular year.
In 9th class it was there.
Life expectancy. It is the average number of years a person can expect to live. Life expectancy at birth is also called longevity.
We can see from the given schedule that Haryana has the highest per capita income and Bihar has the lowest. If we use per capita income as a measure of development, then Haryana will be considered as the most developed state and Bihar will be least developed state. On comparing infant mortality rate, we find that in Kerala, out of 1,000 newborn children, 10 children died before celebrating their first birthday. On the other hand, in Haryana, almost it's triple. That is, 33 children out of 1,000 died before celebrating their birthday. The last column shows that the net attendance ratio in Bihar is only 43. It means in Bihar, more than 40% of the students are not attending the classes.
So what will be the development? Which state is developed, more developed? It is categorized into two parts. According to World Bank, Haryana is more developed because of the highest per capita income. But according to Human Development Index by UNDC, which state is developed? That is Kerala, because it have better health facilities. That is 10 only 10 children die.
Higher life expectancy.
1 minute.
We can see from the given schedule that Haryana has the highest per capita income and Bihar has the lowest.
Only 10 persons die. 10 children die. But literacy also 94% literacy rate according to 2011 census, whereas in Bihar 62, whereas in Haryana 82. Again, we can say that net attendance ratio, most of the students attend 83%. यहाँ पे 61 है, यहाँ पे 43 है. So according to UNDC, that is Human Development Index, Kerala is developed state compared to Haryana and Bihar. Next, we will see in our next class. So today I'm stopping here. Go through the textbook PDF. उसमें developmental goals दिए हुए हैं, Human Development Index as well as World Bank. Go through that. Tomorrow we will again continue with that. Okay, bye.